Alright students, so we are starting with our explanation. We have heard कि कैसे डच पहले आके पोर्चुगीज आए ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी में और कैसे इंडिया में और फिर कैसे उनके हाथ से इंडिया का उन्होंने सेटअप छीन लिया गया था बिकॉज दे वर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन this thing because of their queen getting married to the king of Britain. Then Dutch, they had when the Dutch East India Company was formed, they were more interested in Indonesia, Jamaica and all. That's where they established, and then it came British East India Company. Now we will talk about French East India Company. The French East India Company was the foremost rival of EEIC in India after the elimination of the Portuguese and Dutch company. The French East India Company was formed in 1660, and the first French factory was established in 1668 at Surat. They also established other factories at Masulipatam, Chandenagri and Mahe. Pondicherry was handed over the French by the Dutch. In the course of time, the French Governor General of Pondicherry, Duplessis, began to cherish the ambition of French Empire in India. This was challenged by the English when harbored a similar desire which brought the two European powers into direct confrontation with each other in India. तो ब्रिटिशर्स ऑलरेडी वहाँ पे काम कर रहे थे, पोर्चुगीज़ और डच वहाँ पे काम करके जा चुके थे, हैंड ओवर दे दिया था पोर्चुगीज़ ने फ्रेंच को, फ्रेंच वहाँ पे काम करना शुरू कर दिए थे, उन्होंने पहली कंपनी फॉर्म कर दी थी, इंडस्ट्री सेटअप की थी 1668 सूरत में. लेकिन ये उनकी डोमिनेंस जो थी वो ब्रिटिशर्स से बर्दाश्त नहीं हुई और उन्होंने उनको चैलेंज किया. एंड दैट्स हाउ टू टॉप गुड पावर सेंटर्स ऑफ यूरोपियन कंट्रीज विच इज़ French and Britain, they started fighting with each other over their control in India. Anglo-French rivalry. England and France had been the traditional rivals in Europe. This rivalry automatically came to the end in India, as well as when their political and economic ambitions clashed in India. The weak Indian rulers further complicated the matter for not being able to contain the two parties and playing as puppets in the hands of the two European powers. Thus, for nearly 20 years around in India became the scene of the long-drawn contrast between the French and the English. The eastern coast and its hinterland were called Carnatic by the Europeans, and thus this wars came to be known as Carnatic Wars. 20 साल तक काफ़ी ये प्रॉब्लम चलती रही फ्रेंच और इंग्लिश में. दोनों अपना कब्ज़ा इंडिया में, हिंदुस्तान में जमाना चाह रहे थे और दोनों के बीच में ये वॉर चलती रही, इसलिए इस वॉर को कहा जाता है कार्नाटिक वॉर. Now, which is the first Carnatic War? The spark of the first Carnatic War originated in